Why Tantra? This question comes to every seeker who follows the path of the Tantra. Why I should choose the Tantra path? Why I should choose the Vama path of the Tantra? I will explain you in 2 minutes. Tantra is not, I will explain you what Tantra is not first. Tantra is not hatred. Tantra is not a fight between our mind and the body. Tantra is not giving pain to our body and mind. Tantra is not restricting our happiness. Tantra isn't torturing our mind to death. Tantra is not loneliness. Tantra is not rejection. Tantra is none which causes misery, which gives misery to your mind for not having things what you want. Then what Tantra is? Tantra is happiness. The goal of Tantra is to be in a state of Ananda forever. How you will remain in the state of Ananda? When your mind will get what you want. When your mind gets what you want, it naturally comes into the state of the happiness. You want money, you want wealth, you want successful relationship, you want pleasures of sex, pleasures of food, pleasures of drinks. Tantra is not stopping you. Maybe other paths will, but Tantra isn't. Your desire, your wish to be a happy is most important thing in Tantra. And by following the path of the Tantra, you learn to know, you learn how to get the things what you want. You learn how to get the happiness in your life. Because unless your mind, body and prana are in Ananda, the pleasures, higher and pleasures of the spirituality will never come down, will never come to you. That's why the Taittiriya Upanishad says, Anandam Brahmano Vidwan. One should know the Anand as the absolute principle, the highest principle, Brahma. So Tantra is path of Ananda. Path of Ananda by doing things which are Anandi, doing things which gives you Anand and attain the Anand. So path is the Anand. So the Vama path of Tantra, the left hand path of Tantra and the whole path of Tantra is to gain what you want, is to gain what gives you happiness in your life. If you understand this message, it's very simple message. To be in happy, do things which makes you happy and follow the path of the happiness. Because the goal is happiness. Goal is Ananda. Goal is the pleasure. Goal is bliss. No pain to body, mind and your entire being. So if you get this message, then you can approach us, you can message us on this page, you can write email to us and get connected with us. We will help you to follow the path of happiness, the path of Tantra. Thank you very much.